Right, welcome back to Problem Solving by Bloom Academy. All right, we're going to do sort of identical equations, some sort of system of equations. Anyway, this is what we have. You've been given if this equation is if, see now you have a left hand side is equal to a right hand side. Okay, so if this expression here, 10px cubed minus pqx squared plus 10x squared plus 5px minus 4qx plus 14, if this whole thing is equal to that, what is the value of p times q? See that? Okay, let's go for it. So whenever you see these equations where it says the left-hand side equals right-hand side, identical equations, okay, the trick is to make both sides look the same. Okay, so as we look at it right now, we've got 4 terms over here. We've got 6 terms. So we've got to make them look alike. Okay, so what do we do? Now, come over here. This is the expression. We have x squared term. We have x squared term. We have another x squared term. And then we have x squared x term, another x term. So what do we need to do? We need to combine like terms and factorize on the left side. So now we see 10px cubed. We have x squared, 10x squared. See, we can write this as 10x squared minus pqx squared. And then we can factorize x squared out. So it's 10 minus pq x squared. See, now we've combined our x squared terms. So that's what we have over here. Okay, so we have one term of x squared. We're going to do the same thing for the x term. So we write 5p minus 4q x. So we have one term for x, one term for x squared plus 16. We got 16 here, we got 16 here. So it makes the equation true for all values of x. So what do we do now? See, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's easy. Now what we do is we compare like terms on both sides. So you look at the left-hand side, 10px cubed, right? This is equal to the 40px cubed. That means the coefficient, whatever is multiplying the x cubed, they are the same. That means that 10p is equal to 40. 10p equals 40. What does that mean? P equals 4. So now we know the value of p. Now, how can we find the value of q? We can use that. Now, let's go to the next one. We have 10p minus pq. What would that be equal to if we compare? It's going to be comparable to the what? Negative 14. We say x squared. So we have 10p minus pq s squared is equal to negative 4. That means what? 10p minus pq equals negative 14. All right. Let's solve it. What is this p here? We know it's already 4. So we come and write it 10 minus 4 times q. Okay, we move 10 to both sides. So minus 10 minus 10. We have negative 4q equals negative 24, which means q equals positive 6. Q equals negative 24 over negative 4. Q equals positive 6. So now we know our value of P and Q. And so the product of P and Q is 24. Okay. We could have done the same thing. We could have also said that you see the 5P minus 4Q here is equal to negative 4. See that? 5P minus 4Q equals negative 4. And we can proceed to solve, also use that to solve for Q again. Okay, P, since P equals 4, if I put it in here, 5 times P equals 20. So 20 minus 4Q equals negative 4. We solve it, we get the same answer, Q equals 6. So either one, we can use it to, equation, we can use it to find Q. And then our product is what? 24. So you see that? So we look at the expression, we factorize, made the left side just look like the right side. We compare like terms. We wrote the equation, solve for P, solve for Q, and then we know the product. Okay, here. Now I say expand this. Can you expand this term right here? Okay. Expand it. That means distribute, simplify, distribute, and simplify. Okay. Can you do that? Now, when you're done with that, okay, now I come here. So combine your skills here and what I've just shown over here, and I say here now, here's SAT question. I say link it, be bold, follow the rules of algebra or mathematics, persevere, don't quit. Here's the question. Here's your challenge. If ax plus 3, parenthesis, okay, multiplying 5x squared minus bx plus 4, okay, and we are told this is equal to this whole expression, equal to this whole expression, 12. The equation above is true for all values of x where a and b are constant. What is the value of a times b? Right? Send me your answer and more examples will be coming. All right. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.